Touch the leg, everyone. Today I'm going to prepare low calorie desi, and these are the ingredients. This is ginseng, almond, raisin, and this is brown basmati rice and ghee. So these are the ingredients for my low calorie desi. And first I'm going to put this brown basmati rice into this pressure cooker. Now I'm going to open this brown basmati rice and I'm going to cook only for one person. So I think this is more than enough for one person. Yeah, I think this is too much. I think maybe this much. I'm going to wash it and then pressurize it, and after that we will mix everything together. I have already washed this and now I'm going to put water into it. Here I'm going to add hot water, and you can also use normal water, but I prefer hot water. You need to put a little bit more water because it takes time to cook brown rice in pressure cooker. So now this is the water measurement that I normally prefer when I cook brown rice. Now this is what I'm going to put on the stove. And this is ready now. Ready. The brown rice is cooked now. Now I'm going to put this into this bowl, and it's very easy. You just need to add it. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients over here. First I will add a raisin, and then I will add this almond, and ginseng, and I'm going to add brown sugar, So instead of white sugar, I use only brown sugar. So that's it. And then finally, ghee, desi ghee. Don't want to add so much. Yeah, this much only, because I can't eat oily food. Yeah, that's it. Now we're going to mix it well. Mix it well. My low calorie desi is ready. It looks so delicious, healthy, and very organic. Yeah, it is ready to serve now. I don't know how it looks, but you know, for me, without the camera, it looks very delicious and healthy. And I prefer to eat only low calorie food. Yeah, that's it. Now, the first thing that I'm going to offer to God before we serve for ourselves. So I have kept my, things ready. I'm going to, offer this to God. Yeah, that's it. This is ready to offer to God. It's ready now. May this new year bring lots of love, happiness in everyone's life, and I pray for all the sentient beings in the world. So here in this low calorie desi, I have used basmati brown rice, ginseng, almond, raisin, and I have added ghee and brown sugar. So these are the healthy ingredients that you can try. And if you are really conscious about taking a low calorie diet, I think this is one of the best thing that you can go for it. Thank you for watching for my channel. Have a nice day.